Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the second question in exercise 7.13. The marginal cost of manufacturing X units of a product is given by MC is equal to X squared minus 150X plus 750. Now, if the fixed cost is rupees 1250, find the total cost and the average cost. So, we need to know what is the total cost that is given by an expression C of X, which is nothing but integration of marginal cost. Okay, so let's perform the integration. So, C of X is going to be integral of X squared minus 150X plus 750 dx. So, after integration, this expression will become X cubed by 3 minus 150 X squared by 2 plus 750X plus K. I'm using the letter K because this is C of X. Otherwise, you can use whatever letter you would like. Now, the K is going to be nothing but the fixed price. So, that is already given to us. We'll also simplify and rewrite. So, C of X is going to be equal to X cubed by 3 minus 150 by 2 is 75. So, minus 75X squared plus 750X plus K is nothing but the fixed cost. So, this is going to be 1250. So, C of X value is this. Now, the next question, so we found what is the total cost. So, the next is going to be average cost. So, what is average cost? Average cost is nothing but the total cost per unit. So, it is going to be AC, which we'll call as the average cost, is going to be C divided by X. So, AC is going to be X cubed by 3 minus 75X squared plus 750X plus 1250, the whole thing divided by X. So, every term we are dividing by X. So, AC or the average cost is going to be X squared by 3 minus 75X plus 750 plus 1250 by X. In the next video, we will find the solution for the third question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.